Hey friends of Purpose Partners, Brandie Thomas here. Welcome back to another training video. Today I'm going to be diving into how to use Scalability to set up your AI chatbot, and this is going to help you streamline your business. So I know a lot of you are coaches or you're consultants, and you're trying to add like time back into your day, right? Like you've created this business so that you can have financial and time freedom, but you're feeling like you spend all your time in Messenger answering the same questions over and over. So what I'm going to show you how to do today is set up your chatbot inside of Scalability so that you can, if you have somebody come on a post or you get a message come through your DM that's similar to other messages that you get all the time, you can actually have a response using AI to respond and get that conversation going, or just if it's just a link that they need, you're sending the link to them and not having to go find that link, then copy and paste it, then send it to them. It's already done for you. So let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing I want you to go to is you have to turn this on. So in your Scalability back office, go down to your settings and then go to Conversation AI. So you have three different options here. It's going to default to off, or you can have suggestive, or you can have autopilot. I would suggest that you use the suggestive option. Autopilot, when it's in beta mode, and it's going to just send messages automatically. So I just say use with your own risk, but feel free to play around with this and just check it out and see how it works for you. I have not gone into that, tested it to its full capabilities yet. So I've been primarily playing around with the suggestive text. So once you choose one of these, then you're going to want to come down and choose your supported channels. So whether it's texting, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, a caveat, these need to be business profiles. So you have to have a business Facebook and either like a professional or creative Instagram in order for this to work. So you have to have a business Facebook page or creative or professional for Instagram. And then you can also have live chat, the SMS chat with our chat widget. So those are some other options that I did not select here. And then you can come down here to your advanced setting, put in your company name. How long do you want the autopilot mode to kick in? So like, do you want it to wait 2 minutes before responding? How many messages do you want it to send before it kind of like dips out? So like, I only want it to respond after a 2-minute wait period and don't send more than 10 messages. And then put the bot to sleep after 2 hours. Another thing I want to point out to you is the pricing. So with using the bot feature inside Scalability, you do have the nominal fee. It's literally 3 cents per response. So if you're somebody who's like, I'm just running a campaign for this specific workshop or academy or something, a special offer, and it's just kind of like a one-time service thing, and you want to use this for that, I would say just stick with the basic response plan. They're going to be fine. If you're somebody who has like a massive audience and you're going to be having like hundreds of thousands of responses and you need the unlimited plan, there is the option to upgrade so that you're not like, if you find yourself paying over $79 a month for the response rate, then yes, definitely upgrade. That will be worth it for you. But I think for most of you, just sticking to the basic plan will be, you'll just see that it's nominal per response. So just wanted to point that out to you. Either way, though, it is a tax write-off. So whichever decision that you decide to make, you can tax write-off. So just remember that perk of being an entrepreneur. Okay, now I want to hop over to the configure intents. So in here, this is where you can edit special prompts. You can basically kind of start training your bot. And so you can ask it different questions, like this top one is saying, who is a bot? Who is the bot? So you're telling the bot that you're a bot for this business and you're tasked to assist customers. Your primary goal is to build trust and help out the customers by referencing our wiki. So like if you don't have a wiki, then obviously like you would change that. You can also set what they can't do. So this bot cannot help with booking appointments, appointment cancellations, rescheduling. Politely let the customer know you cannot help with them with appointments. The goal is to assist. This goal is not editable, so just want to let you know. And then you also can add custom values for anything else the bot should know. So conversation guidelines, be casual, be purposeful, conscientious tone, or concise tone, mirror the customer's language and manner of speaking, be attentive, avoid emojis. So you can say like, avoid, hello, how can I assist you today? And instead use, hey there, what's on your mind today? So you can customize all of these examples, but Scalability is going to give you the template for how to set this up. So right now they only have the template for informal support, but you can go ahead and add your custom values. If you want them to book, you can set that up. So like I wouldn't want my bot to book my appointment. I just want them to send the link. So I would hit that. And then also make sure when you're hopping around between these pages that you are hitting the blue save button at the bottom. I already had this set up, but I do want to remind you that when you're on that bot settings tab, that you're choosing suggestive and changing the different features of the different settings, make sure you are hitting that blue save button so that it is saving. Okay, so on the bot training tab, this is where you can train your bot. So I have my link set up for my scalability, and then I can say my question, how do I get a free 30-day trial to your platform? And then I wrote this little example like, hey, it's easy, just click the link to sign up. And then you can come here and actually like test it. So like if I were to write in 30-day trial, we'll see that the bot's getting ready to respond and say, hey, getting a 30-day trial is a breeze. Just click the link on and set up your profile. Need a hand with it? No, what is the link? And then it'll send the link to them, but it's gonna, in the training, it's gonna have okay, so you see here, we're seeing that it did not send the link this time, but last time it did give me when I was training it, it did send me like a link. So that's something I'll have to go back and test, but just letting you know, like you can train it, you can switch out the configurations, set up the different Q&As that you want it to have. So, but I definitely do encourage you to test it out and do trials with it. The other thing I want to show you is that you need to connect, make sure you have connected and set up your social media. So I'm not going to actually go through how to do that. I'm just going to show you where that is to make sure it's set up. So you want to go to your marketing tab in your menu section, and then you can see like your social planner. And then you'll come over here and hit this little settings icon. And this is where you can actually connect your social media accounts. So you can see you can have Google, my business, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, TikTok. So I have my TikTok and I have my professional Facebook page set up. Once you have those connected, then you can come over to automations and actually set up the automation so that when you create a post on your Facebook page or wherever, if you're using text, wherever you're having that person respond or your community respond to, you can create these automations. So one of the cool things is that you can select a template or a recipe, or you can start from scratch. So you can see when you go here to create your workflow automation, there's a bunch of different campaign options that you can choose or workflow options. So for example, you have the Instagram comment automation, the Facebook comment, plus the workflow AI, the Facebook comment automation. So I'm going to check this one and I'm going to show you what it looks like inside and then how you can tweak it out. So you can come in here. The trigger is going to be that they comment on a post. You can kind of choose like post is, you can change it to contains checklist. You can have like contains RLA or 30-day free trial, whatever. So you can edit that to your ability. Respond and comment. So, hey, check your DM. Thanks for showing interest. Please check your DM. So here's a couple of canned responses that you can send to reply back to their comment. And then you have the interactive message. So this is where you can set up, hey, I'm excited that you want to start your personal finance journey or your coaching journey, whatever that post is that you're referring to. And then you can have the different options that they work through. So again, this is all editable. You can also set up from scratch. If you have any issues, I encourage you to either one, you can reach out to me and I'm happy to help you walk through that process. But Scalability has 24/7 chat, so you can come up. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching today's tutorial. If you have any questions, go ahead and pop those in the comments. If you would like to try Scalability, you can have access to my 14-day free trial by clicking the link below. This is going to give you access to everything from building your website, setting up your funnels, creating your own course membership portal. And like I said, you can even use it for nurturing your leads and converting them into new clients. All right, well, have a great day, and I'll see you next time.